Leo, hi. So I'm going to do a love reading, okay? I'm going to do for the present situation and the immediate future how it is going to be. It may or may not resonate. உங்களுக்கு resonate ஆகிறது வந்து you can take it. If it not, just skip in the video. Then my Instagram page and my WhatsApp number is in the description box. So you can contact me for the personal reading. I do personal reading if you contact me through Instagram or through my WhatsApp number, okay? பர்சனல் ரீடிங்ஸாக சார்ஜபிள். அது உங்களோட டேட் ஆஃப் பர்த் அப்புறம் உங்களோட நேம் வச்சு நம்ம பண்ணுவோம். இது வந்து நம்ம ஜென்ரலாக உங்களோட ஜோடியாக் சயின்ஸ் வச்சு பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ ஒரே மாதிரி வந்து இருக்காது. ஸோ எது ரெசோனேட் ஆகுதோ அதை வந்து நீங்கள் வந்து எடுத்துக்கலாம். If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. அப்புறம் let's start, okay? So present situation and the immediate future, okay? Leo, love reading for us. Love reading for the present situation. Love reading for the present situation. Love reading for the present situation, please. Love reading for the present situation. Love reading for the present situation for you. Very romantic. Something is ending. Wow. Something is ending into family. Okay. What is their immediate future? What is their immediate future for Leo? What is their immediate future for Leo? What is their immediate future for Leo? Love reading, please. 3 cards. 3 cards for the Leo love reading, please. Immediate future. Okay. So present situation, everything seems to be good, but at the end of the code, I'm getting tired. Either the very happy family would have broken, okay, or you're experiencing something unexpected changes in your family life or in your love life, because I could see that clearly. Very happy family got just broken off, or you're experiencing something unexpected changes in your love life or family life, something like that. I don't know why. I don't know why. Okay, let's clarify over cards and நம்ம வந்து clarify பண்ணலாம். Why the Knight of Cups is here? It was very romantic. Your love was very romantic, very caring, but you know, unexpectedly, um, you know, it just got broken off. Maybe because of your non-commitment or carelessness, or you know, because that is what I could see here. If you are not very serious or something, it could literally broke. But let's clarify, okay? Why is the Tower is here? Why is the Tower is here? Why is the Tower is here? Literally it got broken off because your emotions was completely broken now. I could clearly see that here. Is a person moved on? Is a person moved on? Is a person moved on from the relationship? So let's check, is the person completely moved on from the relationship? Is the person completely moved on from the relationship? No, the person has not completely moved on. No. If you ask me, no. I think he or she is drawing some boundaries for the relationship. But if you ask me, the person completely moved on, no. He's very stubborn. He always acts like a king, you know. Leo, can you see that? He here always acts like a king or a queen, something like that. The person has, lot of restrictions. They always draw boundaries to the I think either. So has not completely moved on, but that unexpected changes in your relationship, yes, it's completely done. Okay. Why is the fool is here? 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 Show me the two cards, please. Why is the fool is here? See, maybe would have got busy on work, or maybe because of financial issues. Okay. I see like completely got broken off, or the person has drawn boundaries to it. Okay. Will it get better? Will it get better? The love relationship, will it get better for Leo? The love relationship, will it get better for Leo? You can hope. You can hope. I don't say anything negative here. If you want to make it better, everything is in your hands actually. If you want to make it happen, yes, you can make it happen. There is light at the end of the tunnel. Yes, there is hope, there is wish, but still you can try. I mean, ஒவ்வொருத்தருக்கு ஒவ்வொரு ரீசன் இருக்கலாம். broken ஆகிறதுக்கு, சேஞ்சஸ் ஆனதுக்கு, ஃபேமிலி இஷ்யூஸ், so many things that could be. But at the same time, a lot of changes, sudden unexpected changes, that is what, it's bothering you so much. So much. Okay. In the immediate future, why the Hierophant is there? Why the Hierophant is there? Why the Hierophant is there? Will the relationship get healed in the immediate future? Will the relationship get healed in the immediate future? I'm not getting any healing part here. You can hope, but I could see a lot of, a lot of pain. Then the rend card may should not come in that relationship, okay? But I'm getting that same card. I'm really sorry. But you can look out for new love, new beginning, new journey. It's not about new love, but you can start something new. I can see that here. Okay. You need to come out of that past, or give it a time. If you feel like I don't want to rush into any other relationship, or I don't want to do anything further, you can give a break to yourself. That's the best thing you can do. Why is the Ace of Cups is here? Why is the Ace of Cups is here? Why is the Ace of Cups is here? Is a new journey is beginning, or new love is coming in? இது வந்து immediate future நம்ம பண்றது. Okay, you can start anything new, but wait, it's yes, new journey is beginning, but not the new love. Okay, because you are உங்களுக்கு clarity வந்து கடை, you are very confused. So what I suggest is to take it slow, not to rush. Okay. And try to understand yourself, try to heal from the past, try to heal the relationship if you want to, try to heal yourself, try to understand what is right, what is wrong, what have you done, what have you என்ன பண்ணிருக்க கூடாது, what how it should be. Try to understand more. Okay, let it go with the flow and don't rush. Okay, definitely a new beginning is there for you. Thank you so much. Let's spread only love.